Hi, I'm Dan McTeague with TGPT Television for this week's prediction on where gas prices can be expected to go right across Canada. Well, we're going to try to do this bi-weekly, so this segment will cover August the 7th right until August the 11th. That's the Sunday. We've seen big changes on the markets around the world. The Canadian currency continues to show a bit of strength, but not a lot, and as a result, we are getting a little bit of a bump on that in terms of our purchasing power for energy. At the same time, the world is awash in both the supply of crude, gasoline, and diesel, and as a result, these prices should begin their long-awaited anticipated drop from the tip of Newfoundland all the way back to Victoria. We'll start there in Newfoundland. There should be a decrease of on the order of half a penny, maybe a penny, although I'm hearing some people suggesting it could actually go up. That's really just a hiccup, which will be adjusted by the following Thursday, the 15th or 16th of August. In the meantime, prices will trend down in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, not in Prince Edward Island because they remain stubbornly at $1.36.3 to $1.36.9, whether you're in Summerside or Charlottetown. Unfortunately, the regulated system in the Maritimes doesn't benefit consumers. It's a long gripe for us here, but we'll continue to demonstrate that there is the need to have prices change and fluctuate daily. It helps consumers. Quebec will continue to see prices drop. We've seen prices as low as $1.38, $1.39 in places like Quebec City, in areas outside Drummondville. But Montreal and Quebec City will continue to see prices in the $1.36 to $1.40 range. Coming into Ontario, Ottawa, not just the benefit of the weekends when prices are much lower, but here in Toronto and of course through most of southwestern Ontario and the Golden Horseshoe, look for prices to decrease between 2 and 3 cents a litre, possibly getting to as low as $1.27 by Sunday. As for Manitoba, finally, we've seen a couple of cents off the price of gasoline, but they have a long way to go. Retailers there are holding on to a 13 or 14 cent a litre margin. That's simply not acceptable. That needs to be looked into because places like Toronto and Vancouver, where the cost of having a gas station is much higher, those margins, retail margins, are 7 and 8 cents a litre. As for Saskatchewan and Alberta, yes, look for those prices to continue to come down. They're already in the 123 to 121 range, particularly in Regina and Saskatoon. We've seen some great price drops in both Calgary and Edmonton and surrounding areas in the cities that we cover, down to the 110 to 112 range. Those prices will continue in that direction. Same for the BC interior. We're looking at Kamloops, Kelowna, Prince George. Prices are definitely trending down there by as much as 2 cents a litre. And finally, we've seen in places like Victoria, prices dropping from $1.41.9, where they really had no business being over the past couple of weeks, all the way down to $1.35.9. That could drop again to $1.33.9 by the weekend, and that leaves us finally with Vancouver, which, as you know, we are predicting every night, all 15 areas that surround Vancouver Metro. We're seeing price decreases, as small as they are, half a penny here, half a penny there. We could see prices as low as $1.41 to $1.42 by Sunday. Well, that's it for this half week. I'm Dan McTeague from TGPT Television. Look forward to another one of our commentaries here starting Monday morning, August the 12th. We'll see you then.